$15 million of institutional funding.
This conference in New York City has attracted fund managers, Wall Street investors, and high net worth individuals. They're here looking at potential big money-making opportunities, not in takeovers, not in tech, but in marijuana. Reuters correspondent Layla Kerning attended the event.
I'm here at the Viridian Cannabis Investor Series. It's the first of its kind in New York. There were about 200 people here, many of them potential investors looking to get in on a rapidly growing industry here in the U.S. This is not your typical conference about cannabis. These are high-powered investors. You won't see a lot of people in tie-dye or ponytails here. It seems to be a lot of serious-looking Wall Street types in suits and ties seeking for places to put their money in cannabis.
Right now, there are about 180 publicly traded marijuana-related companies in the U.S., and that number is growing, says Viridian Capital's chief executive.
This industry, which is still federally illegal, which the SEC and the financial regulatory bodies have been generally antagonistic towards, that has a DNA and a culture of deadheads and potheads, is actually undergoing an industrial revolution.
Last week, New York opened its first medical marijuana dispensaries, boosting investor interest. One market research firm projects sales of marijuana for medical use alone to increase to roughly $13.5 billion in 2020. In 2015, it was $3.5 billion.
We're going to take us out of the dark and into the light.